Sir, I just want to make a small mention, not that I don't want to discuss any issue. I just want, regarding the matter of the ODP and the 17-2, the Supreme Court had stayed the High Court on certain issues regarding proceeding further. The decision of floor of the House achi दवरता की जे स्टे सुप्रीम कोर्टान ग्रांट केल्या म्हणून हांवें तुमचे नजरेक हाडपाचो म्हाजो प्रयत्न इतलोच आशिल्लो की 26 तारखेक परत एकदा हियरिंग आहा आनी सुप्रीम कोर्टान ऑलरेडी नोटीसीस इश्यू केल्ले आसा आनी ह्या विशयाचेर म्हाका मातशें कॉशियस रावचें पडटलें हांव जें कितें उलयतलो हावजान. I'm putting, just hear me first, just sit. I am only making a mention that since hearing is again slated for 26th, I need to be very cautious of what I am going to say on the floor of the House pertaining to the ODP and 72. That's all. I am just placing this on the floor of the House.
Speaker sir, कित्याक बंदी हा उलोवपाची.
ना हांवें सांगू ना तुका बंदी बिंदी. तू जाय ते उलय. म्हाका बंदी हा. I will give you as much as possible because the matter is being heard. And also, Speaker sir, Solicitor General of India is representing the state as well as the top legal brains are representing us, and we have been advised to be a little cautious over what we speak.